Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit A8. This is a one bedroom, one full bath, second floor apartment home in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26, as well as dining and shopping in Harbison, Riverbanks Zoo, Harbison Forest, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're inside the unit. Come off the hall to enter. It's the front door, of course, you're looking at there. And then right off the entry, you do have a coat closet. So again, as we mentioned, it's a one bed, one bath. So you have an open floor plan, living, dining, and kitchen area. You can see nice sized living room with a couple of windows. You do have communal parking outside, so just an open lot, but plenty of space. And then you can see it's open to the kitchen where you have a shallow counter bar. That does give you some extra cabinetry, but it's pretty open as well. So you have an included refrigerator, electric stove, and dishwasher here on this side. And then you can see there also is a laundry room at the end of the kitchen here as well. There is currently a washing machine in there right now. I'm not sure if that's going to be staying in the unit. It may be going away, so do confirm that with management before proceeding. And of course you can see that it looks like it's set up for a stackable with the high dryer vent there, but you possibly could configure something else, maybe depending on space and door swing. So off of the living area, you do have one nice sized bedroom as well. Again, a window looking out, and then your closet is on the opposite wall here behind the door. It's a pretty nice size. And then of course you do have a private bathroom in here as well. And one thing I forgot to mention was the luxury vinyl plank flooring that's been updated throughout the unit, and that does go into the bathroom here as well. And you have a single sink, a large vanity, and a tiled shower and tub on this side. So that completes our tour of this unit. Again, 1011 Beatty Road, Unit A8. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.